Good evening, my dear students. Today we are discussing about pancreatic hormones and pancreas. So now we discuss about the pancreas. So what is the pancreatic hormones? What is the pancreas? And what is the importance of the pancreatic hormones? So pancreas is a look like a leaf shaped structure. It is a look like a leaf shaped structure. So it consisting the four parts. It consisting the four parts. So for four parts is this last part is a tail and tail, body, neck, and head. So it divided into tail, body, neck. So the pancreas is a pancreas. The pancreas word derived from a Greek word. Pan means pan and kriya. Kriya means flesh. So pan means all. Total is flesh is known as a pancreas. So the pancreas is it containing the two parts. So generally it consisting the four parts, but internally it consisting the two parts. One is the endocrine part and exocrine part. So endocrine part and exocrine part. The exocrine part is it is the secretion of the pancreatic juice. Secretion of the pancreatic juice. And endocrine part is the secretion of the hormones. Secretion of hormones. So this is the introduction about the pancreas, and as well as the pancreas is mainly involved in the digestive functions and secretion of hormones. Digestive function and hormone secretions both are involved in this process of the pancreas. So in this process the pancreas, what is the importance of the pancreas? It is consisting the major types of tissues. So it is the two major types of tissues. So one is acin. Acne means it is secreted the digestive juice into duodenum. So secretion of the digestive juice into duodenum. By the acne tissue. And the second one is isolates of Langerhans. Isolates of Langerhans. The isolates of Langerhans is the secretion of hormones. And in this the pancreas is the secretion of the which type of hormones? One is the insulin, glucagon and glucagon mainly secretion, and it's the total glucagon secreted by the pancreas, and some are other hormones also secreted, such as a amylin, somatostatin, and pancreatic polypeptide. Hormones are secreted. These hormones is the endocrine part of pancreas. So endocrine part of pancreas is the isolates of the Langerhans. It's secretion of the hormones. So insulin, glucagon, amylin, somatostatin, and pancreatic polypeptide hormones are secreted. So these isolates of Langerhans cells are the 1 to 2 million cell Langerhans cells are presented in the body. So these Langerhans cells are containing the mainly three types of cells are containing. That cells is the alpha cells, beta cells, and delta cells. Alpha, beta, delta cells are the isolates of Langerhans. It consisting the alpha, beta, delta cells. So the alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells. So the alpha cells is 25% is occupied by the alpha cells, beta cells is 60%, and delta cells is 10% is occupied. 10% is occupied, and remaining 5% is the other cells are presented. So in these alpha cells is secretion of the glucagon, and the beta cells are secretion of the insulin, and delta cells are secreted the somatostatin. So these the next one remaining 5% is containing the 5% containing the pancreatic polypeptide cells are secreted from the isolates of the Langerhans. So these it controlling these hormones are secreted like insulin, glucagon. These are all hormones are secreted in this condition. So the insulin it containing the 21 plus 30 amino acids. It containing the two chains. One chain is the 21, one chain is the 30 amino acids are containing, and it connected. These two chains are connected by the disulfide bonds. And glucagon it containing the a straight chain polypeptide. It containing the only one 29 amino acid. It containing the only one chain, but the insulin it containing the two chains. So one chain is containing the 21 amino acid, one chain is containing the 30 amino acid. The two chains are bound by the disulfide bonds. So this is about the importance of the alpha beta cells. And the next one, both insulin and glucagon circulate unbound to carry the proteins and short over half life of the 6 minutes only. So these both cells are half life is only 6 minutes. What is the importance? It carries the proteins. Carry the proteins. Approximately 50% of the insulin glucagon blood is metabolized in the liver. So 50% of 50% of glucagon and insulin metabolized in the liver, and remaining hormones are metabolized in the liver and kidney. So this is the importance of the pancreas and pancreas hormones. So this pancreas hormone important of the insulin. In case of increasing of the insulin, it produces the hypo levels. Decreasing of the insulin, it produces the hyper levels. So hypodiabetes mellitus, hyperdiabetes mellitus. So the insulin level is decreases, the blood glucose level is increases in the body. Increasing the insulin level and the decreasing the blood glucose level, it leads to diabetes mellitus, hypodiabetes mellitus and hyperdiabetes mellitus is occur in the body. That is the importance of the pancreas and pancreatic hormones. So this is the pancreatic hormones of the endocrine parts. So and as well as the pancreatic hormones involved in the metabolism of fat substances and carbohydrate substances and lipid substances are metabolized and digested by pancreatic hormones and pancreatic juice. So this is about our topic. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss.